Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. This week's word of the week for week number 13 is going to be vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is good because it helps support your growth, your development, and repair of body tissues, and it supports your immune system. Different foods that are rich in vitamin C are bananas, oranges, tomatoes, kiwis, peas, lettuce, and strawberries. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Alright, ladies and gents, after reviewing the video, I did notice that I said plie squats rather than plie squats. I apologize for that. I am correcting myself. So again, the word is plie, not plies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so for Fast 5 workout number 13, here are the following exercises. Number 1, step back knee ups. 2, tiptoe plie squats. 3, star planks. 4, donkey kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. Exercise number 1, step back, knee ups. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet together. You're gonna either step with your right foot or left foot. For this demonstration, I'll start with my right foot. I'm gonna step back and then I'm gonna come up as if I'm trying to get my hands to touch my knees like this, okay? So back and forth, okay? You're gonna do that 3 times on your right, and then you'll switch it up. Same thing, step back and touch your knees. Back and touch your knees 3 times and then go back and forth, okay? Exercise number 2, tiptoe plie squats. You're gonna go ahead and point your feet out, okay? Away from your body. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go squat down and then you're gonna go on your toes and then down. On your toes and then down. You're gonna make sure that your heel, which is the back part of your foot, does not come down. You're strictly staying on your toes, okay? On your toes the whole time. Squat position on your toes, okay? You'll feel it in the inside of your legs. All right, then we got star planks, kind of similar to how we do star jacks. We're gonna do the same thing, but in a plank position. So we're gonna get down into a plank position, push your plank position. Right hand's gonna go out at an angle, left hand, same thing, as well as my feet at a diagonal. And we're gonna hold that position like a star, okay? Last but not least, we got donkey kicks. So I'm gonna go and turn this way so you can see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my hands in a push-up plank position. I'm gonna put my right foot back, I'm gonna kick out. Okay, as straight as you can. Bring in and kick out. Bring in, kick out. You're gonna do 3 on your right and then 3 on your left, back and forth. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 13. So stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. So step back and knee up. All right, switch. Go across your body like you're running a sprint. Okay, you gotta take off fast. The harder that you push, you'll feel in your obliques as well as in your legs. Good job. All right, we got those tiptoe plie squats. Point your feet out and squat on your toes. On your toes, remember, your heel does not touch the floor. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. Do the best you can. These will hurt, I promise you. I'm feeling it already. Woo! All right, feel the burn, my friends. Feel the burn. If you want to challenge yourself and go lower. All right, let's go into those star planks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Try to keep your back straight. Bottom not up in the air. No mountains here, my friends. Alright, going. You want to tighten up your core. Just tighten up your core and you'll feel it even more. Woo! Alright, my friends. It's burning. Alright. Alright, and let's go to those donkey kicks. Ready? and go. Kick back. 1, bring back. 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Don't give up. Remember, the motto, just finish. Not just the motto, but it is a lifestyle. Keep going. There you go. Beautiful. Awesome. All right. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. We're time to get some water. Wipe your sweat off. We're working on the whole body, my friends. And again, if you guys are interested in a certain exercise or movement, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll try to come up, put it into a future Fast 5 workout. If you want to create your own Fast 5 workout, drop a comment down below. And again, if I can feature in another upcoming Fast 5 workout. All right, only 5 seconds left. All righty, let's go. Back up top, step back, knee up, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. And bring it up. Power, let's go. The harder you kick, and the faster you kick, the more you'll feel. Cross your body. Great job, my friends. Don't be like me, make sure you guys are breathing out through your mouth. Alright, let's get into those tiptoe fly squats. And squat low and up. Want to challenge you guys, go lower than you did the first round. Go lower. I feel it. Woo! Feel the burn. Keep going, 10 seconds left. Remember, on your heels, on your toes only. The lower you go, the more you feel it, my friends. Keep doing great. Don't give up. Just finish. Alright, remember, start planks. 2 more. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Start planks. Tighten up that core. Woo! Garcia's feeling it. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And donkey kicks. Turn this way for you guys. And kick back. Go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Last one. Everything you got. Let's finish strong. You know, my friends out there, they're not quitters. They work hard. And time. All right, my friends, make sure you guys high five yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Here's a virtual fist pump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 13. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite exercises, what was your least favorite exercise, and why. Let me know. I don't know. All right. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot, because we like to see how your students are engaging in these workouts, as well as what modifications you are making. Also, please drop a comment down below what exercises you would like to see in upcoming Fast 5 workouts. I would like to see what you guys want and then create a workout for you guys. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the GOAT. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to create your throwing grid. So what you're gonna have to do is, I got some paper plates. I got 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. I numbered them. This is 25. This is 50, and the highest one is 100. I got 2 broomsticks, 2 cones. If you guys don't have cones, you guys could kind of modify it. Maybe have some buckets or anything that will help the stick stand up, and some string. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna create 5 paper footballs. Now, the way you're gonna do that is very simple. I highly recommend don't use blank paper. This is all I have available, but use recycled paper so you don't waste brand new paper. You're gonna crumble it up. You're gonna get the second one and you're gonna lay it on top and crumble that up over towards the center of the paper, and then you're gonna twist. And this is gonna be your mini football slash like your Nerf football, okay? Has a little tail, and it has the head of it and the little tail. And that's what you're gonna be throwing into our targets. All right, so here we go. For level 1, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to throw your creative footballs and try to make one, just one, in each of the point values. So 1 in 25, 1 in 50, and 1 in 100. You're gonna have 1 minute to do that. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, just missed. Just missed. Oh. Okay. I gotta retrieve them. Oh, that's 50. 25. Gotta go for that 100. That's it. Oh, just missed. Just missed again. Oh, I just gotta get it hotter. And I win this round. Oh. Oh, and at the buzzer, timer goes off, and I made it. So 2, 1, go. Oh, 100 right off the bat. Oh, 50. Again, you gotta hit the 25 to win the level. Nope. Gotta pick them up. He has to retrieve them. Come back. Again, he only has to hit 25 now. Nope. Retrieve them. Keep going. He has 30 seconds left. He has pretty good time. 25. Up, and there it is. With 22 seconds to spare, Jordan has completed level 1. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now for level 2, you're gonna have to score at least 300 points. Again, you guys can do any combination you want. 25 points is the lowest, 50's in the middle, 100's up top. Again, the faster you get to 300 points, the faster this level is over or completed, okay? So two, 300 with 28 seconds to spare. Jordan is on a roll. All right, so for level 3, what we're going to do is we're going to have different categories. So if you make 200 points, you're going to be considered a rookie. If you make 225 to 400, you're going to be considered a pro. If you make from 425 to 600 points, all Madden. If you go from 625 to 750, you're in the Hall of Fame. And anything over 750 points is considered a GOAT. And again, GOAT is the greatest of all time. 2, 1, go. Oh, just missed. That's 50. That's 150. 250. Oh, just missed. That's 300. And Mr. Garcia's final score is 450, which puts him at an all-batting level. So stay tuned, Jordan's up next. 2, 1, go. 50, 150, 250, just missed. 350. 675. 10 seconds left. So that last round, Jordan actually became the GOAT with 850 points. Well, really hope you enjoyed this game of the GOAT. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And please share with us what you guys did to modify this game. Maybe you guys use a tennis ball, a sock ball, whatever you guys had available. We'd like to see. Make sure you guys use our hashtag, the P spot, because we'd like to see your different ideas. We really hope you enjoyed this game. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.